Hi everyone and welcome to my Patreon page. I'm Francesco and today we'll be talking about drawing foundation as the other one, but I can achieve a nice dark value left. Now I'm gonna let the light source sort of ambiguous. I'm not gonna really define where it comes from. Yes, I said it comes from top left, but I didn't specify if it's coming from in front of the object or behind the object. I'm gonna just leave it ambiguous. So somewhere top left. What we did, we soften it up. And now the corner, there was once a corner, start feeling more cylindrical, doesn't it? A surface bounces then right back on the object and it gives it more luminosity. Not only luminosity, it's gonna give it color too. There's a line, isn't it? A soft edge. Okay, so if I put 3 points, a human will read a triangle. If I give you enough information, you're gonna close that circle for me. And we said it just because we wanted to convey this idea of diagonal. Describing a sphere. They are sneaking into the design of a round object and they play as a nice contrast. Okay, all right. Thank you guys. Ciao.